Number 8, Tumira. 3 points. Polyoso. Polyoso. Bumawi ng Andres. 3 points for number 20. Number 8. Number 8 pass to number 17. Number 17 pass to 24. 24 pass to number 4. Floater. Good. Number 14. Polyoso. Number 20, dribbling the ball. 20, pass number 8, Tomiro Andres. Basket number 1, para kay number 8. Low, stop. Polyoso drive, pass to number 7, Guillermo, foul. Number 7, pass to number 18, pass to Polyoso, Tomiro Andres, no good. Rebound, Guillermo, drive, no good pa din. Rebound, number 17, Marcus. Then back pass, no good. Rebound by number 6, pass to Polyoso. Number 20, pass to Polyoso, 2 points. 29, pass to number 17. Number 8, pass to number 4, pass to number 17, jumper, no good. Rebound, pass to Kapatid, Polyoso din, Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 17, number 24, nagkamadali, pass to number 4, drive, 2 points. Polyoso, number 20, nagdadalang bola. Number 20, pass number 18, Polyoso, Tumira na 3 points for number 14. Number 8, number 24, pass number 4. Number 4, stolen by Polyoso. Polyoso, binigay sa Kapatid, good. Official score, all day. Number 24, pass to 29, jumper, blocked by number 18, outlet pass to 20. Lubang na ng dalawa ang X-Root. Number 24, drive, pass to corner. Jumper, 2 points.
Hindi mo hinahasa eh.
Number 18, pass to number 14. With the leg into Ivy, Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 17, pass number 8. Number 8, jumper, 2 points. Number 20, Tumira Andres, 3 points. 17, pass to number 4. Polyoso. Number 16, pass to number 7, 3 points for number 7.
Polyoso.
Number 20.
Polyoso.
Dribbling the ball. Pass to Aquino, number 12. Nalagay number 20. Number 2. Polyoso. Pass to Polyoso. No good. We have Number 7. Number 7. Polyoso. Tumira na tres. No good. Rebound. Polyoso pa din. Pass to Aquino. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Martyrs. Number 16. Dribbling the ball. Number 16. Drive. Pass to number 18. Pass to Mila. Number 37. No good. Rebound by Polyoso. Number 20. Number 20. Ang bilis. Drive. 2 points. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Number 7, Tumira Ramirez, no good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. 25, open layup basket. 21-19 in favor of Martyrs. Number 20, Tumira Ramirez, no good. Rebound by Severino, 2 points. Number 18, nagmamadali. Number 18, pass to number 16. Number 16, reverse layup blocked by number 17, Aquino. Number 7. Pass to number 16. Jumper. No good. 27. Follow-up. No good. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino. Pass to number 20. 2 points for number 20. Polyoso. Pass to Polyoso then, number 2. Number 2, Tumira, no good. Rebound by Martyrs. Number 16, not that pass to number 18. But alley-oop pass, 2 points for number 25. Aquino. Pass to Polyoso, out of bounds. Well done, Martyrs. Number 18. Number 18, pass to number 25. Drop pass to 27, Tumira, short. Polyoso nagmamadali.
Daan ka lang daan yan, technique. Hindi, tama lang yan. Hindi ko naintindihan lamang mo.
Aquino. Pass to Polyoso. Tumira na tres. No good. Aquino follow-up. No good there. Rebound by number 27. Pass to block. Number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 7. Tumira. Supply. Rebound by Martyrs pa rin. Number 7. Pass to 25. Speed. The pass to 27. Number 7, Tumira, no good. Rebound pa rin ng Martyrs. Number 27, pass to number 7, drop, pass to 25, foul! Seconds remaining. Number 2, Polyoso, pass to Aquino. Pass to number 17,